Hi everyone, just come to share with you a blank journal and a pouch filled with ephemera that will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The papers that I've used is from ARTYmaze and it's called the Watercolour Christmas. So very lovely kit. If you're interested in that, pop over and have a look. It will be linked below. So I'm going to show you the journal real quick. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 3/4. Like I said, it's blank inside, but inside here there is pockets and tucks and tags and ephemera to use within the journal. This has all been stitched. It's a paper bag, has a cover. I've stamped Merry and Bright. There's eyelets and string as a closure. So I will quickly flip through this. It's blank inside for you to do your own thing with. So this, there is, was it 96 pages front and back, so that's a lot to play with. Got a flip here. Papers are either tea or coffee dyed. I always do a mixture of both and then just pull out what I want. I don't necessarily remember which one is which, but I do kind of prefer the tea. I think that all the blank, like these papers, they are tea dyed, and the digital papers are coffee dyed because I use a big jar and it's got coffee and it's also got some like mica powders in it, so it's got a little bit of a shimmer. Right, so that is the journal. And then in the pouch, again using the papers from the same kit, the Watercolour Christmas, I have made the pouch. The pouch was an idea from Gina, who is Firefly Studio 67, and I've lined it not all the way down because you're not really going to see that, but it's all been stitched, it's been Mod Podged, and again I love this paper. This paper just reminds me of when I was a child, and the Christmas wrapping paper would be very similar to this, so it's quite nostalgic as well. So inside there we have 2 corner pockets, like Rita Donnelly style, with the tickets on there. I mean, you can add more to that. You could add a little bit of lace along the edge or something like that. We have one of these. Again, you could do the same with that. So you've got that pocket as well, which is a double pocket. Well, actually, you put it behind. That's opened there, so that's 2 pockets. It's opened in there, so it's 3 pockets, and then you've got a little tuck there as well, because obviously if open like that, it could fall all the way through. And if you glue it, then you can't open it. So there we go. Here's another one. This is again a double pocket that opens all out. You can do lots of journaling and obviously tuck a lot of stuff in there, and I've put a paper clip on there for you. So these I've just backed onto some cardstock, so they're nice and thick. You can add them. Some journaling cards here. That way. We have an envelope, which I've probably stuck something in there. There we go. No, I haven't. Double journal card there. That goes inside of there. There's a large envelope, and there's just some coffee dyed paper which I've corner rounded, so you can write on that or add photographs or whatever. These are 2 tucks that I've made, so on the actual just if that's the page, you could just glue that along here and along there, and then you've got a tuck, and you could use that one for the other side. Again, just gluing along there and there, and you've got a tuck. So there's 2 of them. They're just coffee dyed paper, some Edith Holden book page, which is one of the December pages, and these little embellishments are from Tsunami Rose, which you can buy in digital form, or I think you can buy them. Daisy does them where they're all cut out and like in a big bag for you. So we've got 2 of these tags. We have this postcard, which is, they've all been sewn onto teal coffee dyed paper. That, and I've just put the tabs on there, and then you have some lace on these large tags there. I'm just checking if there's anything else in there. Nope. So that is what you get inside the pouch. I'm going to just call it the stuffed pouch. So you've got quite a few bits to get you started, and then once you've used all of that in your journal, you could just you can't actually, the journal is actually too big to go in because it's the same size, but you could just keep things in there. You know, when you collect things over Christmas, you could keep them in there and store them before you're ready to put them in your journal. So that is that. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. I nearly lost my voice then. Bye.